quick last peek inside before I glue up this top. Make sure I didn't forget anything. I kind of decided to leave the electronics out of it. I think that pickup stopping a lot of the sound from coming out of the mandolin. I want to hear how it sounds acoustically, so I'm going to leave it out for now. It's looking good. See all the braces. Okay, so let me get set up to glue this back together. Holding the mandolin up like this, I think, is better, and thinning out the glue, because right here I didn't really separate it, but I do want to make sure if there are any openings it's filled with glue. Now here the binding is a little loose, so I'm going to stick everything at once. Some of that loose residue off. Now I want to push down on the top as I'm working this tape around. Push down and push the binding. Around from the other side. I'm going to come from the front. Kind of the same thing. This piece of binding is already attached. I never took it off. Again, I'm just using this little wedge. Here you can see it's opened up wide enough that I can get the brush right in there. They also have a surgical hose tied to the neck. Sounds pretty bad. Careful not to keep this tape on it too long. I think this finish being so fragile, could damage it. This bowl is going to be a little tricky to get something wrapped around. Watch me struggle on this one. crazy amount of time to do that.